Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. We will tell you the latest news about cryptocurrency Decentraland. Bitcoin Cash, MANA, Sushi price analysis. After observing a rising wedge breakdown on its 4-hour chart, Bitcoin Cash bulls needed to defend the 50 EMA to hold their grounds. Further, MANA continued to face a hurdle at its supply zone, while its technicals displayed decreasing buying influence. Also, Sushi endeavored to cross its 20 EMA, while exhibiting an advantage for the bears. As the bearish phase heightened, BCH sharply fell and lost its year-long support, now resistance, at the $387 mark. After a nearly 28% retracement from 10 February, the alt matched its January lows. BCH oscillated between the $387–$260 range for over 7 weeks. The latest retracement saw a down channel, yellow, that yet again tested its 15-month support at the $260 floor. As a result, the price reversed and went up by more than 31% before pulling back from the rising wedge, white. Now, the 50 EMA, cyan, confluences with the horizontal $216 mark to form immediate support. At press time, BCH traded at $317.5. After nosediving from the 70 mark, the RSI took a break below the equilibrium, but the 47 support stood sturdy. Furthermore, the DMI lines took a bearish crossover. But its ADX still stood fairly weak, revealing a weak directional trend. Since touching its 11-week low on 22 January, they all saw a staggering 107.4% ROI until 9 February. Post-which, it dropped below crucial price points. Over the past few days, MANA grew in a rising wedge on its 4-hour chart. The supply zone, rectangle, created after the recent sell-off still stood strong as the alt struggled to cross the $2.7 mark. Now, any close below the wedge could lead to a $2.5 retest. At press time, MANA traded at $2.69. The RSI continued its growth in the up channel. However, it was challenging to stay afloat above the midline after the recent fall. Also, the MACD histogram fell below the zero line, revealing decreasing buying momentum. Since 8 February, Sushi retreated in 2 down channels, white, on its 4-hour chart, and flipped the 20 EMA, red, from its support to resistance. As a result, Sushi marked a nearly 45% retracement since then, and poked its 14-month low on 24 February. Even though the recent revival witnessed an up channel, Sushi found it challenging to overturn in October of 2021. In mid-November, MANA was able to climb back above $5 and nearly pushed as high as the 27.2% extension level before facing selling pressure. For long-time horizon investors, the area between the 61.8% retracement and the 78.6% retracement level is generally an area where investors like to dollar-cost average (DCA) into their buys. The market structure for MANA has been bearish. The bulls tried to flip the bias in their favor earlier in February, but failed. Therefore, 2 scenarios are of interest to long-term buyers. Either they can wait for the price to dip into the aforementioned pocket to DCA into spot buys, or they can wait for a flip in market structure to ride to momentum upward. This would require MANA to flip $3.5 to support. On the RSI, the 40 and 60 levels demarcate areas below and above them respectively, where the momentum can be thought to have strengthened in that direction. At the time of writing, the RSI was at 45.23, which was almost neutral. Also notable was its inability to stay above the 60 mark for a significant amount of time since December. The awesome oscillator sank back beneath the zero line, which reflected the bearish momentum since the rejection at $3.29. The price was also trading beneath the 21 SMA and 55 SMA, orange and green respectively. The OBV has been forming higher lows in the past couple of months, which suggested that long-term buyers were indeed present in the background of the daily volatility. Decentraland price today. MANA price hints a 23% growth potential above $2.8 mark. On February 16, Decentraland, MANA price failed its second attempt to breach the high swing resistance of $3.42. The following reversal slumped the coin by 29.5%, dropping to the $2.45 support. Moreover, the technical chart displayed a double top pattern and a breached breakout from the 28-cent neckline, accelerating the ongoing selling. With a successful retest to the breached support, the sellers headed to their next target of $2.45. However, the long tail rejection on February 24 indicates the bulls mount strong support at this level. The relative strength INDEX 46 slope approaches the neutral line from below. A bullish crossover above the 14 small line and midline would provide additional confirmation for long traders. The MANA price is resonating between the 50 and 200-day SMA. A breakout from either of these levels would offer an extra edge for the following trend. Today, the MANA price is green and shows a 9.87% from the base support. The coin chart shows the buyers also provides a bullish breakout from the descending resistance trendline. A retest of this trendline should confirm the sufficient demand and bolster the buyers to break out the $2.8. How much will DECENTRALAND cost in 2025, or how much will DECENTRALAND cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. DECENTRALAND price prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, DECENTRALAND, MANA, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that DECENTRALAND's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. DECENTRALAND course forecast 2023. MANA has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users in advertising. If the market focuses on investing in DECENTRALAND, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. MANA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. DECENTRALAND course prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, DECENTRALAND price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price MANA forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the DECENTRALAND price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MANA will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price level $11.13. MANA rate prediction 2026. MANA will be seen as the best option, and with a huge